What's up, guys? Welcome back to Spider-Man Miles Morales. This is the Into the Spiderverse suit, I think. So we're going to go with a full body sort of squatting position, right? It's cool. Yeah, why not? Landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So I'm going to start with the head shape. Usually start with the eyes, but just because we're trying to get our full body in, it's probably best to do the head shape first and then add the eyes. So basically his jaw, right, and his chin. So we'll go like jaw first, just there. His chin will just come across here, and then the other jaw or cheek kind of goes up this way. So it's got this sort of V or a bowl sort of shape. So this will keep going around. Right, it'll go up and over, and it kind of ends up looking like a balloon. Okay, but your skull is sort of longer at the back, right? So it kind of is a balloon with an air pocket back here. So it curves over, right, and then it comes down. Now his eye is here, but it's pretty flush with the shape of his face. So that's what we're talking about for the head shape. It's kind of like a balloon, sort of, but it kind of like the eye puckers it out here, and the back of his skull sticks this out back there. So it's a particular kind of balloon. So Miles Morales eye, Spider-Man eye. So he's kind of looking down this way, right? So he's on his tiptoes and he's kind of like looking down. So the V for the inside of the mask, the eye, sorry, is in there. The good thing is with Miles Morales suits, you don't have to do the webbing. It's like they don't put it in really, unless it's a video game. I think they do, unless a computer does it. So the other eye goes that way. So you got these like two little sort of facing V's sort of here, and they're kind of lower than halfway on the head. So then you want to do the top curve, that sort of typical Spider-Man eye curve, and then this side goes down here. So it's a hard enough shape to get right now, but it always reminds me of like a candle flame, you know, like if there was a candle going this way, like, you know, like Christmas candles, you see them sometimes. Then you just do this shape inside again. You're just kind of following around. Now sometimes there's an extra line in there, but in Spiderverse it's purple, it's not really black. You know, it's this kind of luminous blue line, purpley blue line that goes just around there. So you could do that if you want, but I won't, because my marker will just smudge all black together. So it just like follows it around, I think. So the other eye, his head is turned away, right? So the eye goes around the back of his head, right? So it kind of like disappears here. See, maybe a little bit of a spike, and then it like disappears there, and then the bottom half disappears around his cheek like that. And then we go again for this inside shape. Okay, and again, no webbing, it's just like black and red. And like the hardest part of Spider-Man is the webbing. Sometimes that's what I think anyway. What do you think? Webbing hard? Yeah, I think so. So neck muscles, right? So we got like a neck muscle just there, then like coming down towards the sort of center of his chest or his collarbone, right? And these are kind of just suggested. They're not really, you know, they're not explicitly drawn in. So his shoulders are kind of high up, right? He's kind of hunkered down. And then the red sort of shoulder spray paint sort of thing is here. So like center line for his chest, you know, kind of goes that way. So the shoulder is kind of a bit wider. And then we get the red spray painted area. So this is done like roughly, you know, it's like dotted in because of the red color. You don't have to draw it in, you could just do it red if you wanted. And then the other side, so roughly just put this in again. It kind of joins his chest on this side because his body's kind of turned away from us here. And then his hips down there. So his arm is on his knee here, so we can see his bicep, right? And tricep. Now he's thin, right? He's not overly muscular. So, you know, we're long limbs, we're thinking. That's what we're going for. So his back just comes down here. Kind of disappears behind his arm. So if I was a chest muscle, I would be sort of there, maybe there. So we get the, yeah, they're kind of sitting on his legs. So we'll draw in this arm, this bicep area, tricep, and then his forearm. And there's forearm on this side, and it goes down that way. So both his hands are sort of sitting on his thighs. So like his thigh, say here, so we get like, there's like a V going down this area. And then his thigh comes out. He's got these spring-loaded sort of thighs, right? Ready to jump. And then the other side kind of goes in behind that, and his knee will come out here somewhere. So I'll do the hands now. So hands are not easy, so take your time. They're one of the hardest things to draw, I gotta admit. I try and avoid them where possible, even though I draw a lot of hands. So knuckles, right, for the thumb, so we're just like hanging, sort of like this. So we do bumps, a couple of bumps for a knuckle. So that one is the wrist one, and then this bump is that knuckle, and then we get one more, so it curves up and then down for the tip of the thumb and around. So, and then next finger. This one kind of like curved over, sort of. And then 4 more. 3 more. Wait, how many fingers? How many fingers? Yes. I was right. And he's got some red spray paint as well, just along the tips of his fingers as well. So you can lightly just do that in if you want, and it'll be red in there. So the other hand, similar, just going the opposite direction, might be slightly different position. So these thumb lines, and then his index finger. The ring fingers kind of go in this direction, and the pinky then comes out. Kind of just hanging there like that. Then we can see some of the tips of his fingers just in behind this. Quite big hands compared to like the thinness of his limbs, you know. Well, it makes sense, like, because he's basically like a rock climber. Okay, so to get this sort of ballerina like position on his feet, so his knee come out here, right? And again, thin and long, so his shin curves that way, right? And his heels are kind of clicked together, so like there's no place like home kind of thing. Wizard of Oz, right? So this is like his foot. All hunkered down. And then his other heel is here, and there's kind of a gap just between them there. And then I think this just like goes up here, that way. And then the foot comes down, just in behind that one. There's like some red spray paint across the front of his feet. Right, so last but not least, this spray painted spider. So it's kind of going this way, right? So we got like it's rough, right? So it makes it easier for us. It's just got these round legs. It looks like a crab, really. Crab man. And then this comes down this way. And he's got the circle that comes around. And it's all sort of one red piece as well. So it's all just colored red. And then just add your colored black and red, no webs. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.